Hey guys, welcome to Shimi's Kitchen with me Shumala. Today I am going to make Mutton Sutriyan. It's a traditional rice pasta dish made in South India. Whenever I make this recipe, it brings back to me vivid memories of my childhood, how we enjoyed eating Sutriyan at a family get together, how we would all sit together around a pot of Sutriyan, heap up our plates and eat till we wiped off the pot all clean. So it's so delicious, indeed the lip smacking with the chunks of lamb melting in our mouth. So let's see how we make it. Boil 1 liter water in a large pan. Add 1 teaspoon salt. And now I'm going to add 1 kg rice flour. Give this a very good mix. Use wooden spatula to mix this flour. Once done, take a large bowl, transfer some dough in it. Rub your hands with some oil and knead the dough till it becomes soft. And now I'm going to take handful of dough and set aside in a bowl. Add some water, make a paste and set aside. Apply oil on your hands. Take a small amount of the rice dough and give a diamond shape as directed. Shape with the help of your palm and set aside. And now I'm going to heat 1 cup oil in a large pan. Adding 6 sliced onions. Saute till it becomes golden brown. Goes in 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste. Fry this for few seconds. And to this I am adding 1 kg mutton. Roast it nicely till mutton changes the color. Goes in handful of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. 2 whole green chilies. Adding 2 tablespoons red chili powder. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon garam masala. Mix this nicely. Goes in 3 to 4 large roughly chopped tomatoes. Good to add curd in it. So you guys don't skip adding 1 cup curd. To this I am adding 2 liters of water. Close the lid and cook till mutton becomes tender. Check with the mutton pieces if it's become tender. Add half cup coconut paste. And now gradually add the rice pasta. Be very gentle while mixing. Now close the lid and cook till rice pasta is done. Cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Check with the rice pasta if it's cooked. Finally, I am adding rice pasta paste. Mix it immediately and while mixing, be very gentle. Avoid cooking in a high flame, it thickens very fast. And now close the lid and slow cook for 20 minutes. Once done, transfer this in a serving plate and serve immediately. Drizzle some lemon drops on top before you eat. It's a very delicious recipe. Try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimis.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you with more recipes. Take care and have a nice day.